Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Swift VXI. Getting started with your new Swift VXI is straightforward, and we'll walk through each step together. First, let's ensure you have all the necessary components, including the Swift VXI unit itself, its power adapter, and any required data cables. We'll then identify the correct ports on both your Swift VXI and your host device, making sure everything is ready for a seamless connection. This foundational step is crucial for optimal performance and a smooth user experience. Now, let's move on to the physical connection. Begin by plugging the power adapter into your Swift VXI and then into a standard wall outlet. Next, take your data cable, typically a USB-C or Ethernet cable, depending on your model, and connect one end to the Swift VXI and the other to the corresponding port on your computer or network hub. It's important to ensure all connections are firm and fully inserted to prevent any interruptions or data transfer issues. A secure physical setup is the backbone of reliable operation. Once the physical connections are established, the next step is to install the necessary software and drivers. Visit the official Swift VXI support website to download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Follow the clear, on-screen instructions provided by the installer, which usually takes just a few minutes to complete. After installation, launch the Swift VXI application to configure any initial settings, such as device recognition or network preferences, ensuring your unit is perfectly tailored to your workflow and ready for use. Finally, let's test your connection and address any potential issues. Open the Swift VXI software or a compatible application to confirm that your device is recognized and responding as expected. If it's not detected, first double-check all physical connections. Then, navigate to your computer's device manager or system settings to ensure the drivers are correctly installed. For persistent issues, refer to the comprehensive user manual or the online support resources, which offer solutions for many common connection challenges, getting you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.